Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making small, immediate changes that create momentum. Choose one change you can do right now, different route, new hobby trial, or a bold outfit, and do it. Once done, schedule a 30-minute curiosity block each day. This trains attention toward novelty and growth. Also, reduce mindless scrolling by a measurable amount, say 25%, so you free time for meaningful experiments. These steps matter because action rewires your habits and signals to your brain. Now expand by experimenting deliberately. Design 3 micro-experiments and run each for 2 weeks so you gather real data. Make sure your experiments mix comfort and challenge. Aim for about 70% familiar tasks and 30% that push your limits, because novelty must be sustainable. Keep a tiny daily log, 1 to 3 lines, so you spot patterns and winners. Once you see what energizes you, double down and iterate. This moves you from random novelty to curated, repeatable excitement that reshapes your priorities. Finish by committing to a 90-day cycle where you repeat and scale the experiments that worked. Make sure to refine your social circle. Add 2 people who inspire or challenge you, because environment amplifies change. If progress stalls, troubleshoot quickly. Cut a draining habit by half and replace that slot with a high-energy action. If that still fails, ask yourself a single question. What stops you from trying? Then remove that specific barrier, logistical, social, or emotional, and move forward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.